Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to add transitions to TikTok videos. So let's have a look and watch this video till the end. So first you have to create TikTok videos. Then you need to press on plus icon. After that you need to record videos. After recording the video, you will see effects option. Then you have to click on it. Then you will see transition option. Then you have to go transition option. After that you will see zoom in, shooting frame, countdown, switch on, switch off, sleep, scroll, horizon, vertical, rotate and circle option. You can choose any of one. So you can choose zoom in. If you don't download it, then it will download and then you can use it. So that is the video. If you get help from this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and watch this video till the end. How does it looks? So the transition is downloading. After complete the download, we can use it. So be patient. My internet is slow, that's why the download is going slowly. So I hope you get understand. So this is the video about transition. If you get help from this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.